Here's a template to help you organize your think, pair, share ideas within your classroom. You can come over here and add your question on this customized document and then add it back over to Camy. Or you can come over here and use the text box and add your question right underneath. Then what students are going to do is they're going to complete these 4 steps. Step 1, they're going to think about their answer. So they're going to look at that question, think about how they might answer that question. After they do that, they're going to share it with their partner. They're also going to reflect and write down some notes about what really stood out about their partner's answer. Students can use the tools within Camy. They can use the text box or the comment features to add voice, video, or text comments to summarize these responses. Then we're going to come back as a whole class and we're going to do ideas from the class. Students are going to share their answer, their partner's answers, what they think. And again, they're going to take notes of that conversation that's taking place. Once they do that, they're going to come up with a final answer to make their response strong and clear for their classmates to understand.